Yo, it's time for my yummy, delicious, world famous cooking show with Mr. O. How you doing out there? Well, I taught you how to make my favorite dish, which is fish. And some of you wish that you could eat it like this, but I insist there's another way to do this. Now, I used to broil it. I showed you how to broil it, cook it on top of the stove. But then, me bride say, there's another way. There's another way, and you can multitask, but you can put it in the oven and let it bake, right? So I said, okay. So, first we're gonna do, to make sure you understand, right? You have to wash your hands. You have to wash your hands. I already did it, but just for the camera, so you know I really did it. You know what I mean? Yeah, wash your hands. Then you got to wash the fish. I have the delicious salmon, Atlantic salmon from the Atlantic Ocean. A lot of you don't know where the Atlantic Ocean is, The Atlantic Ocean, if you live from Maine all the way down to Florida. Virginia, shout out to everybody in Virginia, North Carolina, South Washington, I went to Dawn. Washington, D.C., Baltimore, shout out to my people in Baltimore, right? All the way down to Florida. That's the Atlantic Ocean on that side. Okay. She said, put the aluminum foil in first. And you'll put the fish in second. Okay, let me turn this camera back around. Just want to say, first you got to clean. You got to wash your hands. You got to wash. And I have the United Nations seasoning. I mean, I got seasoning from all over the place that I'm going to put on it and season it. I see lemon. I like lemon on my fish, Yeah, my bride do it too. I didn't see this else. I would have had it ready for you. I would have had it prepped, Yeah, but I have a knife right here. Right, so I'm gonna just take a little bit off, put it right on the fish. But I'm gonna take another one off. She put the lemon all on the fish, but me, Mr. O, what we want to do is just squeeze it. I'm gonna squeeze the lemon on the fish there. Okay? And now, I'm going to tell you about the United Nations of Health. Where do you think sazon is from? They're going to sprinkle the sazon on the fish. I'm going to do one side. You could do two sides. I do one side. I'll do two sides. Okay, sazon. I'll do one side. I don't feel like doing all that work today. It's still going to taste yummy delicious. Because it's a yummy delicious. Okay, you didn't answer my question. Okay, so. ¿Qué lo que? ¿Cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Sazon. Sazon is from Latin American countries. They use a lot of sazon. Then I got my people, my Italian people. My Italian, shout out to my Italians, you know what I'm saying? Got Italian seasoning, you know what I'm saying? My Italians, I got a lot of Italian friends. Dominic Capoletti, shout out. All right, my man Jimmy Todd, Teaneck, New Jersey, shout out. Then we got Black people unite and let's all get down. There's black people, white people, Americans use Larry seasoning if they know it's good for them. You know what I mean? Larry seasoning. It just ain't right without the Larry's. I said it just ain't right without the Larry's seasoning shop. Yummy delicious. And then lastly, my grandfather from Trinidad, we got the Trinity. May run out my jerk seasoning, which is Jamaican. But we got a little curry. Curry can get messy. Curry can get on your clothes. Curry can stain the food. Curry in the table and everything. Use a little curry. I use a little curry. I'm not a curry expert. I tell you right now. Okay. Okay, I was lazy. I was perezoso. I'm going to turn it, flip it. I'm going to flip it so I can season both sides real quick with my Italian. With my Italian. With me lemon, see, and with me Latino, salsa merengue, mucho trabajo, mucho dinero, que lo que, and brothers and sisters, white America, black America, whatever. It's all good. We all one. We need to stop politicians be dividing us up. It's so silly. You know what I mean? We all gotta live. Can I live? All right. We put that on there. Why can't we all just get along? Okay, so this is a brain break for those who watch and say, he's not teaching you anything. Actually, I'm teaching you to wash your hands, wash the food, and I forgot to preheat the oven and to cook to season the food, okay? So we're gonna preheat the oven. We're going to preheat the oven. See, that's how they want me to talk. But who really talks like that? Hi, my name is Mr.O, and I'm going to teach you how to cook today. All right, so bake, start. So now, oops, this is what for years, I've been cooking without putting the aluminum foil on top and on the bottom. Or sometimes you can just put the lid on the top, but we don't have a lid for this particular pan. So, you probably tell me, put the aluminum foil on the top so that the heat will keep the seasoning in and it'll cook right through the fish, the salmon. It will taste so yummy, delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, this was Cooking Salmon 101. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 101. And all you have to do is put it in the oven and it is done in about 30 minutes. That is 30 minutes. 30 minutes. All right, so shout out to all Big Trini. Shout out to my Jamaican posse, West Indian posse, massive. Shout out to my Italian, massive. Shout out to my Latino, massive. And shout out to my black people, white people, my Americanos. All right, shout out to everybody. Shout out to my Irish people too. Y'all cool, we cool. Y'all cool, it's Irish people. I mean, shout out to my Asian. All right, see you guys later. And remember, go to the hiphopteacher.com with the hip hop teacher at YouTube, the hip hop teacher Mr.O for more yummy, delicious cooking show. I also rap about math. I also rap about science, photosynthesis, PEMDAS, algebra, everything. Go to this site, man. Phonics, everything. Go now. Like, share, all that good stuff, right? See you later. Irie man. Peace.